Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some seriously mind-blowing tech straight out of China. These aren't just gadgets, they're game changers that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We're talking robots that flip like ninjas, AI that thinks deep on a budget, and drones that follow you like a loyal pup. All based on the latest buzz from official sites, reviews, and even social media chatter. Let's jump right in with our top 7 picks. Starting strong with number 1, the Unitree G1 Humanoid Robot. Okay, picture this, a compact bot that's only about 35 kilograms but can bust out kung fu moves like it's training for the Olympics. From what I've seen in recent demos on YouTube and X posts, it's got up to 43 degrees of freedom in its EDU version, meaning it can fold clothes, navigate tricky spots, or even do flips. Priced at around $16,000 for the standard model, it's way more affordable than some competitors, and folks on Reddit are calling it the start of a humanoid robot boom. Unitree's official site highlights its AI learning tech, where it uses imitation and reinforcement to get smarter over time. Super agile, with high torque joints up to 120 Newton meters, perfect for home help or research. If you're into robotics, this one's making waves at events like CES 2025. Next up, the DeepSeek R1 AI Model. This one's all about making top-tier AI accessible without breaking the bank. From Hugging Face and NVIDIA docs, it's an open-source large language model that crushes benchmarks in math and coding, even beating OpenAI's O1 in some areas. Trained with way less compute, 70% cheaper than similar US models according to IBM reports, and it uses a multi-stage pipeline with distilled versions for smaller devices. X users are hyped about its reasoning power on just edge hardware, and medium breakdowns show its MOE architecture for efficient thinking. If you're coding or chatting with AI, this could be your new go-to, available for free tweaks. Alright, number 3, XReal One AR Glasses. These look like sleek sunglasses, but pack a punch with augmented reality. Plug them into your phone via USB-C and boom, up to a 310-inch virtual screen floats in front of you. Reviews from Time and XR Today praise the X1 chip for zero latency, 50-degree field of view, and Bose spatial audio. They're lightweight at just a few ounces with adjustable interpupillary distance for comfort, and even a modular AI camera for extras. Social Buzz on X calls them a step toward everyday AR, perfect for gaming or work on the go. If you've been waiting for AR that doesn't scream tech nerd, this is it.
Moving to mobile magic, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra smartphone. This beast redefines phone cameras, topping DxOMark with a 175 score. It's got a 1-inch 50-megapixel main sensor, retractable ultra-wide telephoto for 3.7x to 9.4x zoom, and AI enhancements for pro shots in low light. GSM Arena and Phone Arena reviews rave about its dynamic range and color accuracy, plus a 6.8-inch OLED screen and 512GB storage. X-Threads highlight its video prowess, like stable 4K scenes. If photography's your jam, this one's a standout, even if it's pricier at around $1,000 plus. Eco-friendly fans, check out the Lenovo Yoga Solar PC. This concept laptop has solar panels on the lid with 24% efficiency. 20 minutes in the sun gives you an hour of video playback.
From The Verge and Time, it's thin at 15mm, runs Intel Lunar Lake chips with up to 32GB RAM, and promotes off-grid work. X posts from MWC 2025 show it's absorbing ambient light too, not just direct sun. Sustainable computing? Yeah, this could be the future for remote workers. Drone lovers, the Insta360 Antigravity A1 is wild. World's first 8K 360-degree drone at just 249 grams. Hypebeast and DroneXL reported stitches footage in real time, hovers like anti-gravity, and pairs with goggles for immersive control. XBuzz compares it to DJI Killers with AI-stabilized flight for creators. Time named it a best invention of 2025, ideal for epic aerial vids without bulky gear. Wrapping up with the HoverAir X1 ProMax flying camera. This pocket-sized drone follows you at 42 kilometers per hour, shoots 8K with a 1.3-inch sensor, and has omni-terrain for any surface. Amazon and official site specs note 14 stops of dynamic range and auto modes, no controller needed. Cycling Weekly loves it for bike vids, and Time's Best Inventions list agrees. Perfect for vloggers or adventurers who want hands-free action shots. There you have it. These Chinese innovations are reshaping tech right now. From affordable AI to solar laptops, China's killing it. Which one's your fave? Drop a comment below, like if you're excited, and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Hit that bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.